Okay, how does the drink work? So I always get this question, like, how does it really work? Okay, all you need, simple, for something that will pick you up, something that you need energy, something where you're like, I'm gonna get a boost of creativity within minutes, or my period is just so much in pain that I need something to pick me up. Perfect. All you need, water. About this much, okay, more or less, up to here. So like IKEA glass. Scoop, right? That's it. One. Although I love taking two, right? You may feel a heat, you may feel a flush, you may feel that instantly you're like, oh my days, I've been so productive, I've done the laundry, I've cleaned, I feel like I'm burning fat at the same time. That's it. Mix it, blend it, drink it. You're good to go. That's it. That's just how the drink works. Nothing fancy, nothing 15,000 steps of moving it, like to shake it. No, no one's got time for that. If you're busy like me and you're a woman on the mission and you just need something that will kick you in, that will get you ready out the door, that is your drink. All you need to do, link above bio, go and get it. That's it. Simple. I don't need to tell you, just it's super easy. I told you, 3 simple steps. You take the water, you mix it, you shake it, you're out the door. Basta.